How to fix can't sign in to character AI. What's up everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how you can fix if you're not able to sign in to the character AI's website. But before we get started, I want you to head down below to give this video a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button as well. So in many cases, you are not able to log into the character AI's account is because of the server maintenance, because they do time to time server maintenance, and during those times you might have some problem regarding the login issues. So in that case, the only thing that you can do is wait for a while for the maintenance to be complete. You can wait from half an hour up to an hour or even longer in some cases. And after that, if you try to log in, you should be able to log in. Even after waiting and you're still not able to log in, then in that case, what you need to do is right click on your website, click on inspect. And from here, you just want to head over to the application tab. So go ahead and click on application right here. Now click on the storage tab. Scroll down and you are going to select the cache storage right here. Once you select that, you are just going to clear site data. You can also include the third-party cookies. And doing this will clear all of the site data. Just click right here and all of your site data will be cleared. And after doing that, you can just head back and then try to log back in again. And after doing this, your problem should be fixed. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, hit the like button and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.